makeup transformation is, oh my god, it's so cute.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time with me, don't forget to click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, comment, like and share. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for always coming around. You've been so wonderful.
I started by trimming her brows. I brushed it up, then trimmed with a razor. I repeated the same process on the other brows. Then primed her face with a matte primer. This is to keep her face matte, shine free, and make her makeup last longer. I applied her foundation in the shade 407, then blended it onto her face with a foundation brush for a more even look. I use a lighter concealer to highlight her T-zones. Then use my banana setting powder to set the highlighted areas so as to avoid greasing and also prevent it from looking cakey. I highlighted under her jawline. This is to make the contour line pop out very well. Then use a translucent powder to set her makeup. This doesn't add any color to her face, but it sets makeup perfectly. Started lining her brows with a gel liner. Filled it in with a mascara, then started concealing. I used a concealer that is 2 shades lighter to conceal the arc. Then use the concealer that is the color of her foundation to conceal the tail and the beginning of the brows. Here, I also use the concealer that is the color of her foundation to conceal the top part of the brows. Then after, use a bigger concealer brush to clean it off so as to avoid any harsh line there. Here I'll be using my gel liner to outline the lines very well. Then use my angled liner brush to give it a hair-like strokes at the beginning of it for a more natural look. Then cleaned out the excess concealer. I started from the top of her crease to apply my natural color. Then applied my primer. This is to make the eyeshadow color pop out well, make it last longer, and also prevent the eyeshadow color from greasing out. After I applied my white matte eyeshadow, then my orange color eyeshadow at the center of the eyelid. Then I deepened the outer crease. I primed, set and applied eyeshadow on her lash line too. Here I'll be using a powder that is her color in pressed form to dust out the excess setting powder on her face. To add volume to her eyelashes, I applied her eyeliner, then winged it out at the edge of it. I wanted to avoid the chapped lips. That was why I used a lip balm first on her lips. Then outlined her lips with a brown eye pencil, avoiding the center of the lips. Then applied my nude color on the pout of the lips. Then use my lip brush to blend it out so that it doesn't look like there was the two lines there. I concealed the lips so as to have a smaller lip shape. concealed the V shape of the lip, then applied my highlighter there. Omitting this blushing step can make your complexion look flat. Then I contoured the nose bridge, blushed her cheek and diagonally up to her hairline. Much more like primer, setting spray sets makeup. So I applied I sprayed my setting spray, then gave it some time to dry. Then applied my bronzer on her forehead, the apples of her cheek, her nose bridge, and on her jaw for a luminous glow. I applied mascara to her lower lash line. I avoided applying a liner onto her lower lash line because I didn't want her eyes to look bulgy. I hope you like this final look.